Hi guys, uh, today I am going to perform unboxing of two items. One is that consists of the parts that are needed to purchase to complete my programmable DC test bench power supplies high power, and other is multimeter, 3-in-1 multimeter. I mean, it is consists of multimeter, oscilloscope, and signal generator. So that I purchased to perform and ease the task of troubleshooting and repair of switching power supplies. So let me first of all open the box consisting of remaining parts that would be installed in the high power programmer DC test bench power supply. It is a very innovative idea to design a switching power supply, and not only switching power supply but a test bench power supply, variable test bench power supply, and the plus point is that it is programmable. I mean, you can adjust the output voltage and current rating according to the demand. So let's see. This box is from Digilog. Digilog is a very reputable company who online supplies parts, I mean components used in the switching power supplies. So basically I've opened this box, but this is not the test bench power supply parts, and those are inside the other box, and this is the 3-in-1 multimeter that I purchased from Digilog, and it says that it is FNIRSI DST201 handheld 3-in-1 multimeter oscilloscope signal generator. So let's unbox it. It is DST201 multimeter. So here is it. FNIRSI, company is FNIRSI, and this is the small manual catalog. It is a small manual, and looks good. And this is a multimeter. accessories. So one probe, another probe, and there is a USB cable, type C cable. I think it is used to charge the battery. It has a built-in battery, and it is 5 megasample per second, 1 megahertz oscilloscope, and 3 ampere hour battery, 3000 milliampere hour, and it can be charged from 5 volt 1 ampere type C cable. And here is the multimeter probes. So I think it need to be charged, as it is not maybe yes, here is on turn on off button, so I'll turn it on. Anyway, let me see the details from manual, that how to operate it in oscilloscope mode and signal generator mode. Here is written oscilloscope and multimeter. So these are the modes. I think this is oscilloscope mode, and this may be the signal generator. Yes, these are the waveforms of the signal generator: triangular waves, square wave, sine wave, then pulsed sine wave, half wave, full wave, then staircase wave, then exponential, DC, and some Fourier type. So these are the different waves. Anyway, looks good. And this is charging port, I think so. Anyway, looks good. the other box which consists of the remaining parts that need to be stuffed and installed on the programmable test power supplies. By the way, I purchased this 3-in-1 multimeter, oscilloscope and signal generator based multimeter to troubleshoot and repair the switching power supplies of different specifications. So here we go. So this is their visiting card of Digilog company, and this is LCD graphical. This is a graphical interface LCD that I'm using in this programmable digital test pen switching power supply. So I need this one, and then these are the rotary encoders. If I show you one of them, let me cut it. So this is a rotary encoder. It has a push button as well, and it can move freely on both sides as per requirement. Looks good. Here in local market the price was almost 7 times higher than what I purchased from this Digilog company, whereas product was almost same. So these are rotary encoders in these envelopes, and then this is the keypad. So this is a keypad. Well, I can try some other as well. And there is another keypad. I wanted to check some multiple configuration of keypads. So I purchased these two. This is touch, the keypad. This is a PCB based touch keypad. So as you can see, here is the IC on this keypad. Maybe I use this one. Looks good. So these are the parts that I just purchased from Digilog. and looks good. So guys, this was the today's short video, so stay connected. Thank you very much.